Do you think that's one of the negative consequences? There obviously it was a terrible tragedy. There are lots of negative consequences associated with Grenfell, but is the retention of the status quo and the lack of kind of material innovation, is that something that's sort of an inadvertent impact of the Grenfell disaster?
Absolutely, yeah, absolutely. You know, from a timber point of view, there was very much a knee-jerk reaction to say, right, we're going to ban combustible materials in external walls, because the cladding on that building was a flammable cladding, it turned out, and the insulation ended up being flammable. They said, well, we're just going to ban combustible materials on an external wall, but what that had a negative effect is obviously timber is a flammable material. So where we was doing some real good work in the UK on things like cross-laminated timber and glulam structures, obviously a glulam building has a timber external wall. So that got in residential buildings, tall residential buildings over 18 metres, that got banned overnight. And that just cut off that industry, because that's the sweet point, sort of from around sort of four stories upwards is where that CLT really is efficient and works really well.